Okay, here's my dad. So we just came down here to the river for bring the dog for a walk. Look at that piece of yellow ground, Dad. See if you find it. Look at that, dude. So this is what I've been trying to make a video showing people how to find yellow ground. It's full of real diamonds, absolutely 100%. I know it sounds crazy, but people, I'm just ahead of the whole the diamond rush. And this is what it looks like. So down at the river, right, everything kind of looks the same. I mean, to basically the typical person that comes down and hangs out in the river, not really looking for anything, maybe a cool rock, but everything kind of looks the same, you know, all the rocks and everything. The way to tell yellow ground, so you can see it's untouched. I haven't planted it there, I haven't touched it, haven't done anything. The leaves are still by it. But that is kimberlite yellow ground. And I see all the different little conglomerate rocks in it. That's because when the magma was being pushed through the crust of the earth by the volcano that brings diamonds to the surface, as it cools, as it gets closer to the surface, the conglomerate rocks around, you know, the cylinder. So imagine basically like toothpaste. You squeeze a tube of toothpaste into a bowl of water. You know how the toothpaste would just go where it was going to go, and then that was it. Well, with more pressure, of course, volcanoes, they would push diamonds anywhere from 200 to 2,000 miles away from the volcano that it originally came from. So I'm talking like a big, long, extinct wormhole, basically. Is what the best way to kind of put it. So, and anyways, once these wormholes would get close to the surface, the magma that they're in, that's really hot, obviously came from the volcano would slowly cool, and the diamonds would slowly cool because inside of it they're obviously red hot. And because all diamonds is a chemical composition, it's just pure carbon, and the carbon's like heated up as a gas bubble inside the lava. So as it cools, it takes its diamond form and cools to crystals, or cools to diamonds. So as sometimes when they get cooled off too fast, the diamonds get cloudy. You know, like if you go by a ring and it's kind of white, it doesn't have good clarity. That's because it cooled too fast. So anyways, the kimberlite yellow ground is actually filled with diamond, or alluvial diamonds, which are very good for gem quality. They're very small, but they're very good for gem quality, and you get quite a bit out of a piece. Like, say that's the size of a big apple right there. You'd probably get a pretty nice, at least a handful of small diamonds, a lot actually. And when time comes, there's going to be companies that you sell the kimberlite yellow ground to, that you found. It's actually because they have a machine, a press that presses and it crushes the kimberlite away from the diamonds, and then the diamonds stick to a grease belt. Because if you try just breaking the rock or breaking the diamonds out of there, is what happens. The diamonds will crack and fracture at their delicate spots. There's diamond, it's called cleavage, or there's actually, or a faucet or whatever. So there's 4 points on a diamond where they're weak, where you can actually crack them. So like when you're looking at a ring, a big diamond ring, the square part, you know how it goes down into a point, and you're like, oh, that's the bottom. You'd think that's the bottom of the ring or the bottom of the diamond, but it's not. The point, it could have been the top or the bottom, because there was two of them put together, so it looks like two pyramids clamped on top of each other. And that's what happens. The lapidarian, he takes the little thing and he cracks it, hits it right in that spot, and it breaks open in the center. And then he kind of takes it and touches it on his little diamond drill thing, grinder. And yeah, so you're actually looking at the center of the diamond when you're looking at your ring. Yeah, but that's what it looks like, guys. I'll pull it out now, since I have so much of this already. Because what you do, you just save up, you get a whole bunch of it, right? And that's a nice piece. Dang, that's a big piece. So you save up a bunch of it. When time comes and the places open up to buy it, you just go take it in and sell it. You sell it to them by the poundage, and you'll get a lot of money. So that's cool. I'll break this one open and see if I can show you guys. Just because I got so much already. Normally you don't want to break it like this. You want to keep it like this because you won't break a bunch of your diamonds in half. So I'll break it real quick maybe. I just don't want to break it too much. Throw it on that big rock over there or something, huh? That way I can show you guys the diamonds in there. Oh, there's a good flat one. Don't do this at home unless you got glasses on. Okay, cracked perfect. Nice little chunk crack off of it. So, bam. And the big piece. Bam. Okay, so let's see if I can, see if my phone will pick up on him. Mr. Bug! Good boy. Watch out, Buggy. So what I'm going to show you guys here is they're such nice gem quality diamonds that their color, they look like freaking, like little drops of water inside there. So let my phone focus in on it. Let's see, I'll try pointing some out here. It's hard to tell here. I might have to edit the video and stop it and circle some for you guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see them. There's not really a lot of sun right now to make them shine. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'll probably go slow. But you usually find yellow ground because it's lighter than normal rocks, the same size. So, oh, there we go. Come on.